Yeah.
You're right. Um, okay. So you talked about being a project specialist, project coordinator, that type of role. Then you moved on to being a CRA. So what was the training program like? Would you recommend other CRAs do a training program?
Yeah, the training program was actually pretty cool. It was well put together over at Syneos Health. I guess it was INC Research at that time before they
Yeah.
merged. But it was a 3-month program, and essentially there was a workbook that was through the IOACR is what it was called. I'm trying to remember which certification it was. It was like the other big one aside from ACRP.
Yeah.
Um, it's slipping my mind right now, but
Yeah, it was
basically,
IAOCR because I did
yeah.
it. I did it too, so I had that too. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So yeah, that was it. So it was this workbook that pretty much covered like every instance from regulatory to safety reporting to dealing with non-compliance to Alcoac Plus to anything you can think of clinical research based. So it was really collective and really covered everything. It made me feel really prepared. And within that curriculum, we also had days where we'd take quizzes, whether they were like scheduled or pop quizzes. We'd take some tests. I think we had like 3 tests. Um, and then we also would have like simulations where we would pretend that we are actually on site and we may be dealing with like a difficult study nurse, study coordinator, like the PI, like a lot of non-compliance. We would be given like documents that we'd have to review and find issues with. And the cool part was like it wasn't just, oh, this is all I found. Our instructors would kind of like prod us and pry us until we found everything, and they'd ask us like, so why is this wrong? Why is this wrong? It really taught you how to be like very like vigilant and strenuous when you're looking through things, because at the end of the day, we kind of get disassociated from the concept, but this really is like looking out for the greater good of people and subjects. And so I know it becomes kind of like routine when you have metrics involved and whatnot, and you're just on the road. But at the end of the day, we are just trying to find issues and inconsistencies so these drugs can be safe for the public's use.
Hmm.
So I think that was a really great curriculum, and I honestly like don't have any complaints about it. I think it was just amazingly done. So
Right. I mean, because they are investing that because you're not really working during that time. They are kind of investing that, and they are paying you the whole time, so they are kind of
just
investing in you.
burning non-billable hours. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, for most people, they have to do the training program beforehand. Like yours, it was kind of required, but most people are happy to do it because you're going to be a CRA afterwards. So it's like, yeah,
Yeah.
sure, I'll do whatever, right?
Was amped.
Exactly. No more meeting minutes during that, right?
Oh, no more of that, dude. No more meetings in general. I rarely have meetings.
I know. I love it. I love
I'm
it.
always busy.
Yeah, quote unquote busy, right?
Yeah. Yeah.